Are you struggling to sell things online? If yes, then this video is for you because I will be revealing the 9 reasons why people buy your online services or products. Hi, my name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. In my previous episode, I mentioned about the key to a successful drop servicing business is to have a good digital marketing skills. Some of you request me to talk more about copywriting. That's exactly what I'll be covering today, and probably will cover this for the next few episodes as well. So make sure you are subscribed to me and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of these digital marketing videos. And do not forget to ask away in the comments below so I will make videos to explain it to you. Many people are confused between content writing and copywriting. So let's get this clear first. In digital marketing, content writing is all about educating or entertaining. And copywriting is all about persuading. This is a piece of content. It is purely giving info, no call to action whatsoever. And this is a copywriting, convincing us to download with a call to action. If you're able to convince your audience to take a specific action with what you have written, then that is a good copywriting. Now, in order for you to perfect your copy that is convincing and able to sell, you will first need to understand the 9 reasons why people buy your online services or products. Number 1 is to make money. Look at why businesses buy marketing services. Because they want to make money by selling more through marketing. Number 2 is to save money. Number 3 is to save time. Number 4 is to avoid effort. Number 5 is to be attractive to others. Look at why Instagram influencers are attractive. They want to grow their followers. Number 6 is to gain praise from others. Number 7 is to have a peace of mind. Number 8 is to be unique or special. And lastly, number 9 is to feel connected with others. Before you start writing your copy, it's worth reflecting on what your target market seek from your product or service. What need are they seeking to fulfill, and how will your product do that? Once you know the top 2 reasons, you should base all your copywriting proof points around that and demonstrate how your product helps them achieve that. This process helps you focus on what you need to write about and what you can leave out. Here's the copywriting tip for your online services or products. Try to include at least 2 reasons out of the 9 reasons each time. This way you can connect even deeper with your audience. Imagine you resonated with your audience once and he or she agrees with you. Then you get them agree with you the second time. You will sure gain more of their attention. The copy that you are writing can be your product description, your website content, landing page, social media posts, your emails, and many more. Let's take a look at this landing page example. The product is providing content to coaches. The main title already covers one of the reasons I just mentioned, which is to save time. And when you scroll further down, you'll discover another reason, which is to avoid effort. Done for you articles, which are effortless for the buyer. To have a good copywriting skills, you'll need a lot of practice. You can practice it daily on your drop servicing social media pages, and I'm sure you'll create fantastic copy that sells. Want to learn how to grow your drop servicing business? Check out more tutorials over here, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!